Hello, Mrs. Nooner. This is Mindy Wheat. I just wanted to show some of the stuff I'm seeing on Wesley's Lexia report. As I was looking at the last two levels, the current one, level 9, and also level 8, I'm seeing a lot of slow and a lot of low for accuracy. And that's because he's having to repeat a lot of these for a lot of times. So if I look with further detail, I can see that this one activity right here, being able to listen and recognize the different sounds of these vowel pairs, it took him 72 times to repeat that activity before he was able to move on to the next activity. So it's showing me that there are a lot of activities that are a bit too hard for him, and he's currently working at a level that's higher than the level I have tested him at. If you look back here, you will see he's right at the end for this grade level, and I would probably say with my test he's at about a level 8. So I am contemplating about another option. I just wanted to show this to you and see what you think about his frustration level at home when he's on Lexia. Thanks.